I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by finding balance. Feet hip width and knees soft so your joints absorb movement. Engage your core just enough to stabilize. This is why your hips can move freely without tipping your torso. Now, start the motion with a subtle lateral shift of the pelvis, about 1/2 to 1 inch, pushing from the sacrum rather than the legs. Once done, feel the weight transfer and let the opposite hip release. This micro movement seeds the full sway. You progress by turning that initial shift into a continuous roll. Lead with the sacrum, then allow the ribs to follow so the motion propagates upward. Breathe to coordinate. Inhale to create length, exhale to soften and deepen the curve, and avoid forcing the hips from the thighs alone. Make sure your shoulders remain relaxed and arms float to counterbalance. As you practice, increase amplitude slowly from 1 to 4 inches while keeping spinal alignment. This is why control beats speed. You finish the sequence by decelerating intentionally. Reduce the sway amplitude and return the pelvis to neutral so the movement ends cleanly. If you feel stiffness or hip-dominant strain, scale back and do isolation drills, small pelvic circles and single-side holds, to retrain the pathway. Make sure to check symmetry by recording a short clip and adjust side-to-side weight balance accordingly. If lower back aches, stop and reset with core engagement. Proper alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.